everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. Welcome back to Colorful Creations. I'm going to do a little painting for you on this little tiny canvas here. It's kind of mostly a tester. I'm going to do a pretty big one, and sometimes it's really good to test out your colors on a small canvas first just to see how it's going to work before you go put them on a big canvas and ruin the whole thing. So I'll show you my colors first. This is titanium white, and I have these mixed pretty thin. It's the same recipe that I always use. I'll have that in the description for you. You want them on the thin side because so basically the kind of pour that I'm going to do today is a Dutch pour, and you just put the paint down and you blow it around with a hairdryer. So you want your paint to be a little extra thin for that so it can blow around easily. This is a cerulean blue that I created by mixing titanium white and phthalo blue. This is a blue black by Pebeo. It's kind of like almost like a purpley color. I have a metallic brown that I did another painting a while ago with all metallics and black, and everything that kind of poured off the edge of the canvas, I scraped it up, and that's what I got. And this is copper by Sargent Art, nice and shimmery. And then for my base, I just had some cheap tempera paint, mixed exactly the same. It's just cheaper than using the titanium, and I was kind of running out of titanium white anyway, so it kind of worked really well. So I'm gonna first cover this whole thing as if it's like huge, in white. Nice base to start with. I think because this is so small, I can just tilt it around. Add a little more here. It's really good when you can tilt it out like this because it makes it nice and smooth to start with. But for a huge canvas, it's not as easy. They're too big to work with like that. So I usually use a hairdryer to blow it around when I have a big canvas. I see a little. This is going to be tricky because it's so small. There's the brown. This is the blue black, copper, gold, blue, and I'll add a little white. I usually add a little extra white all around the color, but I'm not going to with this one. So it basically just helps you add some paint there and it helps the rest of it blow across easier. But this canvas is so tiny that I think it'll just blow right off. So. Here. I think I'm just going to leave it like that. It's nice and simple. All right, here we are. Nice and simple. I love this. I actually think this turned out really awesome. So hopefully this doesn't change on me. I'll give it a few minutes and then look at it again, and then well, obviously tomorrow will be the test. What do you think of this? I'm going to show you from the other side, and here's what it looks like from this angle. Since it's 12 by 12, like I mean, it's even all around, you could put it anyway, so we can look at it this way. If I can try not to get the glare from these lights. every way you look at it, it's completely different, really. So, what do you think? You can just let me know in the comments if you love it or hate it, or if you think it sucks. Honestly, tell me. It still helps my channel and helps me learn too. I'm open to commission work if you like something like this with different colors or something. I'm more than willing to give it a try. Just send me an email at the address at the bottom of the screen, and I will also put that in the description for you. So thanks for watching. My next one, I'm gonna do the same colors on a really big canvas. It's gonna be Dutch pour as well. So I'll have that done probably in the next week or two. Just hit that little bell so you'll get notified when my video goes live. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.